Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the endocrine system. Two body systems are responsible for sending and receive the sensory information and coordinating body responses. These are the nervous system and the endocrine system. Together, they are sometimes referred to as the neuroendocrine system. The endocrine system regulates body activity by releasing the hormone chemical messengers into the bloodstream where they are carried throughout the entire body. Hormonal responses may be almost instantaneously sudden or may occur day later. There is a wide variety of hormonal effects. Hormonal functions regulate the chemical composition and volume of the internal environment, extracellular fluid, help to regulate metabolism and energy balance, help to regulate contractions of the smooth and cardiac muscles, fibers and secretion by glands, help to maintain hemostasis despite disruptions such as infection, trauma, emotional stress, dehydration, starvation, hemorrhage, and temperature extremes. Regulate certain activities of the immune system, play a role in the smooth sequential integration of growth and development, contribute to the basic processes of reproduction, including gamete production, fertilization, nourishment of the embryo and fetus, delivery, and nourishment of the newborn. Next is the exocrine and endocrine glands. The body contains two kinds of glands. Exocrine glands secretes their product into body duct which carry the product into body cavities, the lumen of an organ or the outer surface of the body. Pseudophorus gland, sebaceous gland, mucous gland and digestive gland. Endocrine glands secretes their product into the extracellular space around the secretory cells. The secretions diffuse into capillaries and are carried throughout the body by the circulatory system. The endocrine system is composed of the body's endocrine glands. These include the pituitary, thyroid, and parathyroid adrenal pineal glands, pancreatic islets. There are also many organs that have cells which secrete the hormone but are not exclusively endocrine organs. These include endocrine systems. There are pineal gland, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and the parathyroid gland. Behind the thyroid gland, skin, thyroid gland, trachea, thymus gland, heat, stomach, kidney, uterus, ovaries, testes, scrotums, and small intestine, pancreas, liver, adrenal, and lungs, skin. Hormones. Hormones are a chemical substance that are carried by a cell tissue and initiate specific action. Hormones can have very powerful effect even when present in very low concentrations. There are approximately 50 different hormones produced in the human body. The specific cells which are affected by a hormone are called the target cells. Hormones influence their target cells by binding to protein or glycoprotein in the cell membrane and called receptor. In today's class, I discuss about the following system: endocrine and exocrine glands and hormone function, endocrine system, introduction to endocrine system. Thank you for watching.